Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhangi. Today's video is going to be very exciting because I am going to do a huge makeup haul after a really long time. I don't know what is the last time exactly I sat down to share with you guys my hauls. It was long time back. Also keeping in mind about the affordability factor, each and every product in this haul will be less than 500 rupees. Can you believe it? So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Also a quick disclaimer, I am shooting this early in the morning and that is the reason this video will have a little bit of background noises. My mom is cooking, so there will be a lot of pressure cooker sound, as well as my dad is doing laundry and the washing machine makes a lot of noise. So please bear with me and let's get started. Also, did I tell you guys this huge haul, all the makeups are not from a particular single site. I mean, to be very precise, these makeups are from 4 different websites or apps. I kind of compare and tally the prices and buy from the website which has least amount of price. So these all contains makeup products from Amazon, the most staple. First time try hawkmakeup.com. Thirdly, I have got some products from Myntra, and the 4th bunch is from Cuts and Lashes, also a first time try, but don't worry, I'm going to tell you guys all the tea about all my first tries.
Very good tea.
So let's start with the products that I got from Amazon. From Amazon, I got these few products. So this is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette number 07. So you guys can see how much I have completely used. You can see the condition of this palette. This is so dirty now. I have used it like for I don't know how many times now. I use it every day. This color mainly, this is my favorite brown shade. I use it on my crease. Today also I have used it on my crease. And this shadow, this silver shadow, I use it like most of the times to do my inner corners. This is such a cheap palette, yet so beautiful, so pigmented. All the colors are shimmery except this one and this one, a little bit this one. But all in all, this is a great palette. And you know, this is so pigmented as compared to the price it offers. Yeah, I mean, this is a great palette if you are looking for any shimmery palette. This is the number 7 from Swiss Beauty. But I also will tell you guys the least favorite color. This is the black color. First of all, the black is shimmery. I do not pray for basic colors like white, black, brown to be shimmery. Apart from that, this black color is kind of little patchy, and when you put on your lid, it looks like blotches. Yeah, I'm not going to give you guys a full-on review because this is a haul video and I need to cover a lot of the products. But in case you want a detailed review, I have already made this one. I'll leave the card right over here. So yeah, check that out. Now the second thing that I got from Amazon is this 4 blushes. So I actually wanted a really pretty peach coral sort of a blush that will be liquid. I don't want any powder blush because my skin is kind of dry, so I need a lot of cream and liquid products. So I was looking for a really cool peachy kind of blush, but keeping in mind that the blushes are really expensive if it's creamy or liquid other than mainstream powder blushes. But when I came across these blushes, I got really intrigued and curious. So in my head, I really had to try this one. So these are liquid blushes from Kiss Beauty. These are 4 blushes, shade number 1, 2, 3, 4. But my favorite one is this shade number 2. So the shade number 2 is the perfect peachy liquid blush one can ever dream of. Even I'm applying it right over here a little bit, but also I have done a detailed review of all the 4 blushes in another video. I'll leave the card over here, so go and check it out. So the next bunch of makeups I got from hawkmakeup.com. I know a lot of people have tried Hawk Makeup, but for me this is the first time I have bought something from hawkmakeup.com. I mean, I was searching for mainly Mellow Wine. It was so much in demand that it was out of stock from Purple, Nykaa as well as Amazon. So I had to buy this from hawkmakeup.com. As well, I saw this bronzer. This is Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches. So this is a very cool name, by the way. So anyways, so I bought these 2 particular products from hawkmakeup.com. And if you are kind of confused about why I have got this particular blush on my hand, well, I didn't buy it. I got this full blush free from hawkmakeup.com because of buying these 2 products. Free shipping as well as getting a full-on Wet n Wild blush free. I am kind of really impressed. This is the Wet n Wild's Pearlescent Pink blush. And many of you guys really love this blush, but I had no intention to buy this one because this kind of has a little shiny particles in this blush. This is not a pure matte blush like Mellow Wine. when I got this one and I tried it on my textured skin, I really love it because the shiny particles are really small and it doesn't really affect at all on my textured skin. It doesn't enhance at all. It just gives you a really nice rosy pink cheeks. That's it. So now these are my favorite products. I kind of apply them every single day in every makeup. Even I have got this bronzer going on over here, and I have applied Mellow Wine. I didn't apply Pearlescent Pink today. So yeah, this look is amalgamation of all the products that I'm going to show you guys today. So now let's talk about my review about the website hawkmakeup.com. The delivery was really quick. I didn't think that I'll get all my stuffs within 3 to 4 days, and the quality, they are really good, up to the mark of Wet n Wild. So they are not fake, 100% real. And if I am not wrong, I have heard that Hawk Makeup is the distributor of makeup products for Nykaa and Purple, I guess. So there is no way they are like fake. So I would say go and buy from hawkmakeup.com. I really highly recommend you guys this website. And can you guys see how much I'm sweating right now because my fan is off?
How convenient is that? Wow.
So without any further ado, let's move on to the products that I bought from Myntra. Now from Myntra, I bought a lot of stuff. As you guys can see, I cannot hold it in my one hand. So let's start with this one because I cannot hold it in my hand and they are kind of slipping away. So these are basically set of 6 lip liners from In Color. I wanted to try lip liner for a really long time and I thought let's just start with something cheap. These are from In Color. They have 4 beautiful brown shades. The browns are different obviously, and 1 red and 1 pink shade. So I got this set. Myntra also has 2 different kind of sets of lip liners from In Color, but I chose the third one because it has a lot of brown and nude shades, and I am a sucker for brown lipsticks and anything which is brown on my lips. I have tried all of them and they are really creamy. I mean creamy as compared to the price it offers. They are not super creamy and they are not at all rough on your lips, so they are kind of in between and it does the job. But if you guys want a detailed review, I have already made that. I'll link it in the description box. Please go and check out. Let's talk about this product. On my left hand, this is Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. It says it is a waterproof mascara, and I can assure you guys, if you are searching for a good waterproof mascara that lengthens your lashes, this is the product right here. You need this in your life because, well, this is a waterproof mascara. It does what it claims, because I have kind of cried wearing this mascara, or even when I put my lenses on, my eyes kind of water a little bit. I had this on while doing that and the mascara was completely intact. So the next one is this is a cult favorite, as you guys know. So this is a peach color corrector from LA Girl and it has got a kind of brush tip, very popular. But I have a little complaint about this one. I mean, everybody loves this product. Initially I was also loving this product, but now after like doing makeup with this peach color corrector for so long, I figured out why I'm not loving this one. I mean, this is a good product, don't get me wrong, but I have a couple of things to say about this product when it comes to my skin and my face. I have put this color corrector today, so you can see a little bit darkness over here, and that is because of this peach color corrector is not high coverage. I mean, this is a kind of medium coverage product, but I want my color correctors to be bang on full coverage. And I mean, I know you guys gonna say that why don't you build it up, but let me tell you guys, if I keep on building a product up, my under eyes becomes really cakey. So I really am not a favor of building products up, mainly when it comes to applying color corrector, which is a very first step of my base. So I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So for that reason, I would say this is not my best purchase. Well, let's talk about this particular lipstick. This is from Myntra again. This is the Wet n Wild's very popular lipstick. Wait, let me find out the name.
1 hour later. 2 hours later.
The shade name is Give Me Mocha. So this is a really pretty shade. I mean, pretty as in nude brown kind of shade. You guys know me, I always apply brown shade, and even I am currently wearing a brown shade, though this is not the Give Me Mocha shade. I applied a different lipstick anyways. However, this is a liquid lipstick, and this lipstick, since this is matte as well, so this lipstick tends to make your lips a little bit dry. I have applied this and I faced dryness on my lips, so make sure to put on lip balms, then you won't face any problem. So I have a bunch of makeup products that I got from Cups and Lashes. So this is the last website that I am going to talk about in this haul. So let's start with the most popular product from the website. These are cover pots from Cups and Lashes. I got 3 of them from that range. I got the number 5. The container only has the number, doesn't has the name, so I am going to address using the numbers only. So I have 5, 6 and 12. The 5 one is literally lighter than my skin, so I use it as a highlighting concealer. Now the 6th one is kind of a same shade as my décolletage over here, not my face. My face is a lot darker than my this region, the décolletage, where actually you need to match your foundation to apply it on your face. Anyway, so the 6th one I got it as a foundation, but I do not use it as a foundation. Now the 12th one is a lot darker shade and I got it as a contouring shade. I guess you guys can see the color, it's quite dark. So these are my 3 cover pots and I love the 12th one, I mean the contouring shade, the most. I apply it every single day when I need to contour. If you want a cream contour at such a cheaper price, I mean the price really blows my mind. If you want a really high coverage, I mean full coverage cream contours or even concealers, you must get your hands on it, but make sure to get the right shade that matches or that complements your skin color. Now the next purchase from Cuffs and Lashes is this face brushes. Now I have seen Nidhi T has launched a lot of brushes in their lot of ranges, but these are from the first launch. If you guys like want a review of these brushes, I have made a detailed review as well, so I would highly recommend you guys to watch that video. You will get all the answers you are looking for about these brushes. But in one sentence, I love some of the brushes. They are like go-to for me, and I don't actually like some of the brushes, and to know which one I'm talking about, you have to watch that video. Now finally the last product from this haul. So this is, I mean, should I tell you guys what this is? Because I think everybody knows what this is. This is so popular. This is Nicka K's eyeshadow palette in the shade Autumn Spice. I have a lot of things to say about this palette, but if I start saying, this will become a 1-hour video. But in short, I am actually not super happy applying this eyeshadows on my lids. I mean, they are, in my opinion, a lot chalky, though they blends well, but they are really chalky.
And the colors are way too repetitive. You can see there are like 2 almost similar brown shades, and all the shimmers are also quite same. If you apply it on your lids, no one will able to differentiate between those 4 shimmers.
So I mean, I have kind of feeling about this product. So yeah, that's about this video. I hope you have liked this video. I had so much of fun sharing with you guys all the makeup products that I got. I really love buying makeup products, applying makeup products and sharing with you guys looks of it. So yeah, a lot of review videos, in-depth review videos is coming your way. Stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, bell button, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say